I kept hearing the sound, but I couldn't figure out what it was. But then I realized. Hi everyone, your creative educator here, and welcome to Sparks the Flames Education, where you get great science, math, and reading content and really fun and creative ways of inspiring learning. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification so that you can see our new videos on Mondays. Like and share, and yes, subscribe now. It was a baby bird. The parent was feeding the baby bird. I looked around just in time to see the parent feeding the bird. And I thought that was just so cute. The parent looked so concerned, and the baby was just squawking, squawking, squawking. But that was the sound. It was the sound of a baby bird. Bird sounds can be very interesting. Sometimes they're sending out an alarm call. Sometimes they're sending out a mating call. Sometimes they're just chit-chatting. So these two birds, I have no idea what they're doing. I know that there's a younger bird and then there's an older bird, and you could tell by the sound. The younger bird sound is not as clear as the older bird sound. Besides, I've been watching them for a while now, so I know that there's a younger one. But it seems like a very interesting conversation. Take a listen. So they've been at it for a couple minutes now. Look like vexings to me. Baby birds learn their songs through practice. They mimic or pattern the other birds in the area and keep practicing and practicing until they get their own songs. Birds make all these wonderful sounds through a structure that they call the syrinx. The syrinx is like our voice box or larynx, and they're able to control it, control all the different muscles, just like we're able to control our vocal cords and produce different sounds. They're able to do the same thing. The structure is different, and because it's different and they can control the different muscles, they're able to make lots of different sounds. They're still at it. One of them flew away and the other one followed. So they're still at it, people, still at it. Still don't know what the birds them saying, but thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like if you liked, and visit our website www.sparkstoflameseducation.com for more educational content and to subscribe to our services. Tweet out. See you next Monday.